So this electrolysis enhancing solution allows you to make the strong Kangen and the strong acidic water, the hypochlorous acid, so it'll actually kill bacteria, which is what it's for. And the strong Kangen water is a degreaser, cleaner, so you can clean like your oven hoods, your ovens, your dish. You can clean anything really. You can clean spots off cap. People put it in their laundry. It's basically a cleaner, and so that's what those two are for. Let's see, this one comes with a couple things that the 501 doesn't come with. It comes with one of these things for like this. That one doesn't, and it comes with a couple extra adapters that one doesn't come with. They both come with these adapters, so you can hook it up to, you can, like if you're, there's a couple ways to hook it up. You can get one of these from 6-8 Tools, and you would connect that to this, and then connect that to that, and then connect this to here, and then when you pull it or push it, it diverts the water before it gets here. Another way is with these things, you can do like that. Another way is you can unscrew the aerator and then screw it on like this, and it would just come out of here. It diverts through here. So this is the under counter setup for the K8. It has your alkaline water coming out of here and your acidic water coming out of here. I did it myself. It wasn't really difficult. Didn't need a plumber. The only thing you need is an electrician to run, like through here, an electrical outlet, or to plug it in with. Right now, she hasn't done that yet, but right now we just got it it's just hooked up. I just got an extension cord right now, but it's working for now. And as soon as she gets the electricians out here, she'll have an under counter K8. It's awesome. So this is the way to hook it up, and if you don't want to hook it up to your faucet, you can hook it up to your under here. If you can take out the soap dispenser and splice your line, and it runs up and it replaces your soap dispenser, and you can just turn it on. So yeah, it's awesome.